In this lesson, I will teach you how to link activities in Tilos. The types of links offered by Tilos, and you maybe already know, are: Finish to start, when the successor task starts right after the predecessor task finishes. Start to start, when the successor task starts with the beginning of the predecessor task. Finish to finish, when the end of successor task finishes with the end of the predecessor. Start to finish, when the successor task finishes with the beginning of the predecessor. This last kind of relationship is rarely used, mainly in the construction field. Tilos admit it. Even so, I advise you to avoid it. If you have a good example of a proper application of this type of link, please let me know in order to improve this course. The concept of lag refers to the existing delay between activities. For example, a 5-day lag in a finish-to-start relationship means that the successor starts 5 days after the predecessor has finished. The concept of lead is very similar. For example, again, in a finish-to-start relationship, lead 5 means that the successor task begins 5 days earlier to the predecessor's end. Tilos handles leads as negative lags. This means that instead of saying lead 5, we have to put -5 in the lag field. Let's go to our plan and see how to link tasks. Create 2 activities. One will be the predecessor and the other one the successor. Use the soil removal template this time. Change the name to predecessor. This can be done in Details tab. Do the same for the successor one. Add the relationship. To perform this, click on the predecessor. Watch that little red arrows have appeared at both ends. We're going to add a finish-to-start relationship, so drag the arrow at the finish end of the predecessor until the start end of the successor. Only when you see an anchor appear, you can release the mouse. Now you have the activities linked. To see the effect of this link, and in general of all links in the project, you must have the plan recalculated. Press F9 in the keyboard, or the icon in the menu toolbar. The successor has moved in time, but not in position related to the distance scale. We should always know where the tasks are performed. Let's say that the successor starts 7 days after the end of the predecessor. So click on the link and put 7 in the field lag. Recalculate. As you see, now there is a delay. We can also edit the type of relationship. Choose Finish to finish and recalculate. Change the lag by -7. It means a lead. Recalculate. Click on the predecessor. We can edit links from the Links and Constraints tab too. There, we find the list of all predecessors and successors. We can change the link type, the lag, or simply erase the link. Let's do the last one. Finally, in order to practice, let's put a start-to-start relationship with 5 days of lag from the working area. Pay attention and see. That's it. Close Tilos without saving the plan.